Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Mac, and we tapping in with another great video. I appreciate y'all tuning in. It seems like it's been a minute since I dropped my last video, but I think the last time I dropped one was last Sunday, but we back. Got another crazy on feet for y'all. But before we get started, as always, man, I got to give a huge shout out to all the supporters, all the subscribers, anybody who rock with my content, constantly support what I do, bring positive vibes to the channel, man. Thank y'all. Really appreciate y'all supporting me. But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the review. We got one of the most highly anticipated sneakers of 2020. This was personally on my must-cop list, and I think it was on everybody's must-cop list. I'll be showing you guys a nice on-feet review of the 2020 Jordan 14 Toro Gem Red, whatever you want to call it. All right, so these are gonna come out in a couple weeks on July 2nd. So if you are interested in picking these up, make sure you mark your calendars, get your bread ready. Just do whatever you gotta do to cop these because these are gonna sell out. I'm telling you that right now. Usually when it comes to sneakers, man, I really try not to say whether a sneaker is gonna sell out or not, but I'm like 99.9% sure that these are gonna sell out. Everybody I know wants these. Everybody has said that these are tough. Like, I don't know anybody that doesn't like these. So the material on these are pretty good, man. It reminds me of the quality on the Laney 14s that came out a couple years ago. And as always, man, I'm gonna try to give you guys some of the best angles and the best, looks at the sneaker possible. So on the sneaker, man, the red part is more of a nubuck. It's not a suede. So when these first came out, I thought it was gonna be more of a suede, but it's definitely, a nubuck. And then the toe cap right here is it's definitely suede. So as you can see right here on my pair, man, it's kind of a grain of that ashy suede, kind of like on the 18s that came out a couple years ago. But I don't mind. I know some people don't like the ashy suede, but it is what it is. I did wish that, the Gem Red or Toro Red, whatever you want to call it, I did wish that would have been suede. I think that would have took this sneaker to a whole nother level. It's already, a dope ass sneaker, but I think it would have took these joints to a whole nother level. But it's really not much to say, bro. It's a 14, but it's a dope 14. I'm glad Jordan Brand kind of put this together for this sneaker. 14s don't get a lot of love sometimes. It's kind of that forgotten sneaker. Sometimes people stop after 13, but I've always been a fan of 14s. And this really looks like an OG colorway. We all know that it's not an OG colorway, but it definitely could pass for an OG colorway. And I think that's probably one of the main reasons that people are gravitating towards this sneaker, man. This is a very, very nice shoe, man. I cannot stress how dope these are. I'm not trying to hype the sneaker up, but these are very, very clean. Then when you see them in person, man, you're not disappointed. It just makes you like the sneaker even better. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna stop talking, man. Y'all already know what time it is. We're gonna jump into the on feet. I gotta let y'all know I showed a lot of different jeans, so the on feet is gonna be quite long, but what I'm saying, I think it's worth it if you watch my videos to kind of get an idea of what jeans you can rock with your sneakers. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump into it, and then we're gonna tap back in. All right, man, so we tapping back in. I just showed y'all what the gym red Toro 14s look like on feet. I gave y'all a great look, so now is the time for you to comment and let me know what you think about these sneakers on feet. And as always, man, I gave you guys multiple different looks with multiple different pairs of jeans, so there's really no excuse as to why you cannot leave your opinion and let me know what you think about this sneaker. Like I said before, I think 99.9% of people like this sneaker. It may be a few people that don't like it, but in my opinion, bro, if you don't like these, you probably hating low key. But at the same time, everybody has their own taste, everybody has their own opinion, but I don't know anybody that doesn't like these. This is just a gas ass colorway, bro. And I think, like I said, for me, I like it because it looks like an OG colorway. Like, they could have released these back in the day and it definitely could have passed as an OG colorway. But real quick, I forgot to show y'all the box. Y'all know how I do, man. I'm super forgetful, but this is the box that it's gonna come in. All red box. It looks just like the Jordan 13 box, but you know what I'm saying, it's just red. I'm gonna also show y'all, you know what I'm saying, my GOAT authentication sticker. You know what I'm saying, a lot of people be trolling me, you know what I'm saying, so I gotta show y'all the authentication sticker right here from GOAT. Straight from GOAT, bro. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I probably should have did that in the beginning of the video, but it is what it is. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about these Toro 14s. Hopefully they come out on time. The release date right now is July 2nd, but you know, with everything's going on, that's subject to change, like with the Air 6s. I don't know how many times that release date changed, but it was quite a few. I know people was getting pissed off about it, but as of now, man, these are dropping on July 2nd, so hopefully it comes out on time and hopefully everybody is able to grab their pair. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys one, you know what I'm saying, nice look, last look of these joints before I get out of here. Again, man, this is a very, very dope ass sneaker right here, man. Top 10 sneaker of the year for sure. All right, so yeah, man, that is pretty much it. Make sure you guys comment, thumbs the video up, subscribe to the channel if you're coming across my videos for the first time. I put in a lot of work on my channel. I put in a lot of work on my reviews, so it's dope to see, you know, the channel grow. So let's keep it growing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all keep supporting me. I'm gonna keep putting out dope content, man. So it's pretty much that simple. But if you guys have any other questions, matter of fact, let me rewind real quick. As far as sizing, bro, I'm pretty sure everybody that's watching this video has purchased a pair of 14s before. In case you haven't purchased a pair of 14s, I usually go true to size. I got my size 12. I don't have any issues. 14s, low-key, run a little bit narrow, but I don't have any issues with the sizing. So if you have wide feet, I say the same thing every time, but if you have wide feet, man, go a half size up. If your feet are normal, get your normal size. But I didn't want to leave that out and have people asking me that in the comments. But other than that, man, make sure you just support the channel, man. Support the content. Even if you don't subscribe, man, share the video, like the video, thumbs it up. Just show love. If I, you know, provided you a great video, man, show me love back. But yeah, man, throwback of the day, we got white chocolate Jason Williams. I don't know if y'all know about him, man. Miami Heat, played with them championship season. They won a ring together, so that's what I'm rocking today, man. I know I try to give y'all a little throwback every video, but I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. I've been rambling. I'll see y'all in the next video. The next video is probably gonna be my top 10 sneakers of the year so far. I actually recorded it, but I had to scrap that because I forgot to add these, and these are definitely a top 10 sneaker. But that's it, man. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.